Hi there. Welcome back to English Simplified channel. Now we're discussing the types of research. Are you ready? Let's get started. Research can be classified into several types based on various criteria. Here are some common classifications. 1. Basic research versus applied research. 2. Quantitative research versus qualitative research. 3. Descriptive research. 4. Exploratory research. 5. Explanatory research. 6. Cross-sectional research. 7. Longitudinal research. 8. Experimental research. 9. Non-experimental research, and 10. Action research. Each type of research serves different purposes and is suitable for different kinds of inquiries or investigations. Let's have a glance of what they are. 1. Basic research versus applied research. Basic research. This type of research is conducted to expand knowledge and understanding, often without immediate practical application. Whereas, applied research is aimed at solving specific problems or answering practical questions. Example: a study investigates the fundamental properties of a new chemical compound to understand its atomic structure. A research is focused on developing a new drug to treat a specific disease based on the findings of basic research. 2. Quantitative research versus qualitative research. Quantitative research. This type of research focuses on gathering numerical data and analyzing it statistically. Qualitative research. This type of research involves gathering non-numerical data to understand underlying reasons, motivations, and patterns. Example: surveys are conducted to collect data on customer satisfaction scores, which are then analyzed using statistical methods. A researcher conducts in-depth interviews with employees to understand their experiences and perceptions of organizational culture. 3. Descriptive research. This type of research seeks to describe characteristics of a population or phenomenon without influencing it. Example: the researchers describe the demographic characteristics of a population in a particular region based on census data. 4. Exploratory research. This research aims to explore a new topic or gain preliminary insights into a complex issue. Example: a researcher investigates the potential factors influencing consumer preferences for eco-friendly products in a new market. 5. Explanatory research. This type of research seeks to explain the relationship between variables or phenomena, often through hypothesis testing. Example: a study examining the relationship between sleep duration and academic performance among college students, aiming to explain how sleep affects grades. 6. Cross-sectional research. With this type of research, the researchers collect data from a sample of a population at one specific point in time. Example: the researchers survey a sample of adults to determine the prevalence of mental health disorders at a specific point in time. 7. Longitudinal research. In this research, the researchers follow a sample over time to observe changes and developments. Example: a researcher follows a cohort of children from kindergarten through high school to study the long-term effects of early childhood education on academic achievement. 8. Experimental research. This type of research involves manipulating one or more variables and observing the effect on another variable, typically in a controlled environment. Example: the researchers test the effectiveness of a new teaching method by randomly assigning students to either the experimental group, receiving the new method, or the control group, receiving traditional instruction. Non-experimental research. This involves by observing variables as they naturally occur without intervention. Example: the researchers observe and document the behaviors of chimpanzees in their natural habitat without any intervention or manipulation. Action research. This type of research is conducted by practitioners to solve specific problems and improve practices within their own environment. Example: a teacher implements changes in classroom management techniques and assessing the impact on student behavior and learning outcomes in real time. So, these are the common types of research. Hopefully, our discussion is beneficial. Catch up with you later.